To access Arya, click on Login from the Arya EHR website and enter your email and password. From here, click on the drop-down menu and then on Edit My Clinics. Click on Edit, then on the Edit button within the Clinics section to be taken to the Clinics Edit page. Fill in or verify your clinic's information, paying special attention to the time zone since this will reflect on the schedule. Add team members to your clinic by clicking on Invite a new user. Add the user's email and select their access level or role. The available roles are Viewer, Editor, Administrator, and Account Owner. An overview of the different roles and access each of the roles receive can be found at the bottom of the Clinic's Edit page. If the user is a clinician or they should appear on the schedule, you'll want to also select Clinical User. Then click Create. The user will be sent an email with their login information, and if you selected Clinical User, will also appear on the schedule. You can manage the users at the bottom of the screen, change access levels, clinical user status, and also delete users. To add a patient, navigate to the Patients page and click on Add Patient. Fill in the required fields, then click Save. You're then directed to the patient's chart where you can add additional information about the patient, such as their medical history and medications.